Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. This guy's
Oh,
pretty drunk, trying to get into this home. Had something similar a couple episodes ago.
shut the fuck up.
Hello?
Hi.
Can I help you?
Open up. Open up.
No, I will not be opening.
Open up.
Nope.
God damn it. Come on.
Leave right now, we will call the police.
Open the door. You fuck.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. We got a lot of weirdos walking around at night.
Can I help you?
This guy claims to only be passing out cards, but the owner isn't having it.
What you doing at my door?
Hello. You are
You
service?
come in my house one more time. I got you on video. I saw you reach up there to looking for a key. I'm telling you right now, I got a gun. I will shoot your ass. Don't come on my property no more. Do you understand? Do not come
Okay, that's
on
a
this
threat.
property. Do
You
not
make your
come
note.
on this property. Do not come on this property. You understand?
Okay,
I've been
okay,
watching. I'm
that's a
watching
threat,
you,
but I
kid.
didn't see your
Get
no
the fuck
soliciting
off my
sign.
property. Get
I didn't
the
see
fuck
your
off
no
my property.
soliciting sign.
I'm gonna call
What?
the police.
Okay, please do.
Yes, I surely will, motherfucker. Get off my property now.
Please do.
Get off my property now,
What do you
motherfucker.
guys think? Bad intentions or good intentions? This lady puts these flowers in this bin and nods out right after.
Can I help you? Can I help? Hey, put it back.
These ladies must have some beef with this person in this unit.
Listen, don't smoke January. What am I? Stop. Hey!
Excuse me.
3 times.
Hello.
I mean, I like the food. It comes.
No, it's good. It's good. It is good.
So the other place.
This guy sneaks on this yard and steals a blower.
Yo! God damn it.
You need to get off my property now. Okay, get out. The other way, that way, where you came in. Huh? No. Hey. Yeah,
Check this weirdo out. Imagine coming outside and this guy pops out. Gotta keep those doors locked. Can never be too comfortable. We got a FedEx worker doing some overtime, I guess. Check this guy out. He's pretty strange.
Fucking die, bitch. We're coming for you, bitch. You're gonna fucking die.
These thieves are real petty. I've been seeing the uprising and furniture being stolen. This guy breaks into this house that's being worked on.
Hi, you are currently being recorded. Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Holiday seasons are approaching. I know a lot of people are about to be sending gifts or ordering gifts. Think about your other options.
Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Scared you? Yeah, you did. Sorry. Oh wow.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. Strange people walking around all night, and they're trying doors.